This video is brought to you by MediaTek. So it's been a year of being stuck at home, and I'm pretty sure by now you've developed a routine of your own. Spending this much time at home has really made me rethink the way that I set up my home, and over the past year, I've been on the lookout for technology that can make home life better, particularly the kind that doesn't break the bank. Hi, I'm Michael Josh, your gadget matchmaker, helping you find the right device to match your needs. And in this video, I'll round up a few tips and tricks and some affordable home tech for this new normal. Right, so living well requires that you live smart, and part of that requires that you eat right. Like most New Yorkers, I've come to rely on food delivery services for when I'm too busy to cook. But cooking my own food has gone a long way towards a healthy diet. Thankfully, Mom is a good cook, and she taught me well. But in case you need a helper in the kitchen, there's the new Amazon Echo Show 10. It's got personal assistant Alexa built in and a large 10-inch screen that swivels on its base. Perfect so it can follow you around as you navigate your kitchen. Apart from standard things like setting up multiple timers for various dishes you're making, or letting you know if Amazon packages have arrived, you can also have it do things like show you how to cut an onion, for example. Over there is a built-in camera that acts as a security camera when you're not home, or a video camera when you need to call Mom for backup. The Echo Show 10 retails for $199.99, a bit pricey, I know. If you want something more affordable, there's the $80 Echo Show 5. Pair it with this $19 stand. If you're looking for a high-tech cooking appliance, check out the Amazon Smart Oven. While $250 might sound like a lot, you get a microwave, an air fryer, and a convection oven in one. The Smart Oven pairs well with the Echo Show and lets you issue commands for a whole variety of tasks. Confused about the ideal setting for your frozen meal? Just use your phone, scan the code, and the Smart Oven will do the rest. Want a roast chicken for dinner? Season a medium-sized chicken, place it on the included baking tray, plug in the temperature probe, and say, Alexa, roast a chicken. Just be ready with the weight of the chicken because Alexa will ask for that. Step away and 90 minutes later, you're ready to eat. Love fries, but don't like the idea of anything deep fried in oil? Throw in a cup or two of frozen fries, give Alexa the command, and they come out air-fried and crisp to perfection. Both the Echo Show 10 and Amazon Smart Oven are powered by MediaTek. I just finished reading this book about the Danish word hygge, which talks about how pursuing coziness at home can improve one's well-being. It's something that I wanted to share with you because in a world where we stay at home and live at home 24/7, it's more important than ever. It's all about setting the ambiance, really, and doing it regularly. And you know what? There's a lot of tech to help you. Step 1, dim the lights. Smart lights don't need to be expensive. These ones by Meros cost only $14 on Amazon for a pack of 2. So if you have multiple lamps that you need to make smart, there's no deal quite like this one. Dimming the lights makes things more comfy, and you can do all of this with your voice using Alexa or Google Assistant, or you can use their app. What I like to do is change the color of my lights depending on my mood. Tonight, let's set the torch light to blue. After a long day at work, nothing creates a chill mood more than some smooth jazz music. I like piping music throughout my entire apartment, but you don't need to have multiple speakers for multiple rooms. That's why I like JBL's Link Portable. I keep it right here on its charging stand, then take it with me when, say, I move from the living room to the kitchen. As an aside, I also take it with me to my terrace when I chill out there on the weekend. The Link Portable lasts 8 hours on a single charge, so it's more than good enough for an afternoon in the sun. And it's IPX7 water resistant, in case you accidentally leave it out in the rain. Anyway, back to my Hygge tips. The Link Portable supports both Google's Chromecast and Apple's AirPlay 2, so it's easy to send songs from your favorite music streaming apps, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android. Google Assistant is also built in, so you can just use your voice to play some music. Now, with the music and the lighting down, all we need now is a scented candle and, of course, a cocktail. With movie theaters closed, recreating that cinema experience at home is a must. We recently published a video that details how you can create your own cinema at home. You can click over here to watch that. Now MediaTek builds the processors that power many TVs in the industry today, including Samsung's new 8K QLED TV with Wi-Fi 6. Of course, for the complete cinema experience, you'll want a good soundbar for that immersive surround sound feel, and LG's SL10YG 5.1.2 speakers get the job done. Finally, the best way to survive this new normal is to remember that while it's tough to be indoors all the time, it will eventually get back to normal. And while I miss traveling, having photos from previous trips up on my Lenovo SmartFrame is a great way to remind me of what I have to look forward to. Having art on a wall is a great way to spruce up my room, and if you're looking for a techie way to do it, Lenovo SmartFrame is the way to go. Also powered by a MediaTek chip, this sub-$400 digital frame provides a canvas size of 15 by 24 inches with a metallic gray frame and an anti-reflective coating. Using the companion app, you can choose to display photos from your own photo album or from a curated art gallery. That way, you can have your very own Van Gogh at home. You can hang it vertically or horizontally, and it blends in well with the rest of your decor. And those were just some of our favorite devices that make life at home better. All of them are powered by MediaTek, and while it doesn't always say on the box, chances are you have a MediaTek device at home. For a complete list, visit poweredbymediatek.com. As always, you know the drill, folks. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post new videos. And if you'd like to learn more about these individual devices, you should subscribe to us on Instagram and check out our Reels. We'll be doing individual videos there. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.